Um, maraming salamat dahil kasali kami sa napakahalaga at napakamatingkad na 50th anniversary ng MMFF. Maraming salamat sa GMA Films. Unang-una, maraming salamat kay JC Rubio. Kung wala yung kanyang kwento, wala yung script na sulat namin ni Ange, sa kanyang kwento nagsimula lahat ang Green Bones. Maraming salamat sa GMA Films, kay Annette, kay Nessa, sa lahat, kina Xiao, sa lahat sa GMA Films. Napakahirap pero napakasarap maging scriptwriter. So para sa lahat ng naghahangad na maging scriptwriter, huwag kayong susuko.
On behalf of the whole Green Bones team, I would like to honor and thank our national artist, Sir Ricky Lee. Sir, salamat po sa pagtanggap ng proyektong ito. It's been my honor and pleasure to work with you. Salamat po sa inspirasyon, for the wisdom, and for guiding us throughout this journey. Thank you, JC, for this beautiful concept na hindi ko makalimutan from the first time that you pitched it. We share this with you. To the whole Green Bones team, Christian, Bats, Ben, Len, Marilyn, Mao, Direk Ni, lahat ng hindi nandito. Walang Green Bones kung wala kayo. Thank you for giving life to the script. Of course po. To Nessa, to Miss Annette for the encouragement. To Direk Zig, from me and Sir Ricky, maraming salamat sa pagmamahal mo sa kwento, sa script ng Green Bones. At mahal ka namin. To my family, I love you and thank you. And to the MMFF jury, maraming salamat po. Thank you for seeing the good in our story, in our script. Maraming salamat po, MMFF.